So today I'm going to be trying out a mask that I found at Shoppers Drug Mart. This is the Coffee Bean Antioxidant Hydrogel Mask from OK. I kid you not. That's the name of the brand. So this is a Korean skincare brand and I picked this mask up for $6. So if you're new here, I have a bit of a face mask addiction. Just a small one. So I have a playlist for all the other face masks I tried and the link for that will be in the description box below, or you can click to watch right up there. If you enjoy watching face mask reviews and you'd like to see more of them, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out with the crazy YouTube algorithm. If you want to know more, this way. If you want to know more about this sheet mask, don't go anywhere, just keep watching. So this technically isn't a sheet mask, it's this rubbery jelly-like substance called hydrogel. So hydrogel is often used in the medical profession, and what it does is it helps keep wounds and burns hydrated, and this allows them to heal faster. So I went to OK's website to see what they had to say about their product, and this mask apparently won the Editor's Choice Award at the Beauty Shortlist Award 2018. So on their website it says, designed to restore and refresh lackluster skin, this coffee bean hydrogel mask will deeply hydrate your skin with antioxidant-rich Arabica coffee bean extract. This face-shaped mask is made of gel, which is super intensive, locking moisture and maximizing absorption of energized essence. Lie back and relax while your skin wakes up. And on the packaging, it says, inspired by our love for Korea, the OK Mask Edit brings you the most exciting ingredients from South Korea to liven up your beauty regime. Oh, and there is a warning label. Caution, in the rare event of adverse reaction, discontinue use. For external use only, avoid eyes and lips. Do not use on sensitive or broken skin. Okay, so this is not a mask for sensitive skin people. So for ingredients, we have glycerin, which is essential for people who have dry skin issues like myself. Glycerin itself doesn't really moisturize your skin, but what it does is it helps hold water up against it, keeping your skin hydrated. Next is the Coffea Arabica seed extract, which is the coffee bean extract. And there is some research showing that coffee extract does have antioxidant properties. I don't know how true that is for the skin. We will see. Next is Serotonia siliqua, which is another term for the carob tree, which interestingly enough is the same plant used to make chocolate. And then there's more coffee seed powder. There's a lot of coffee in this thing. I'm slightly confused as to what the benefits of this is supposed to be. Hold on here. So in theory, this mask is supposed to hydrate your skin and give it a wake-up call. I don't know. I mean, I guess the theory behind this is that coffee has caffeine, and I know there is some truth to, like I have seen caffeine in skincare where it's used to reduce puffiness. So in theory, this mask is supposed to make you less puffy, is what I'm thinking. So how do we use this thing? Cleanse your face as usual. Take both parts of gel mask from sachet and remove the protective films. Apply sheet mask to face and relax for 30 minutes. Remove mask and use circular motions to massage residual liquid into skin. No need to rinse. I love the packaging for this. It's like super cute. It has like coffee beans all over it. So it looks like this mask comes in 2 pieces, which they can sometimes be a little tricky to apply, but they tend to adhere to your face a bit better because they're layered. Well, it doesn't smell like coffee. I don't smell anything. No, there's no added fragrance. Most masks add fragrance to it, and it's really not necessary. It's more of a marketing thing. Okay, this is gonna get a little goopy. Start with the bottom piece. I'll show you after I get this put on, but this actually does have little coffee granules embedded in it. Like, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but you can see all those little speckles in there. Those aren't freckles. Those are chunks of coffee. Okay, so this was fairly easy to apply, which was surprising. The thing I love about hydrogel is once it's on, it's on. Like, it doesn't go anywhere. Although I do have to talk carefully because I don't want it to move around. So you can see all the little speckles of coffee on this. This mask is like ice cold. It's like it's been sitting in the fridge. I don't know what the serum is, but it's really, really nice and cooling. So I'm just gonna go relax and enjoy this, and I'll be back in 30 minutes. Oop, what time is it? What time is it? We almost forgot to do a time check. So the time is 10:34. So I'm just gonna go and relax for a bit and enjoy this mask, and I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Time is 11:03. So it's time to take this sucker off. And then just rub whatever serum is left over into the skin. The one thing I really liked about this is there was just the right amount of serum. It wasn't slimy at all, and it wasn't dripping wet the way a lot of other sheet masks are or hydrogel masks are. There's just the right amount of serum, like that little amount of serum that was still in the mask was completely dried already. When hydrogel masks work for me, I actually prefer them over sheet masks because I love how they adhere to the face. Like this one, I was able to completely smooth out under my eyes and it conformed to my face perfectly. Like I didn't have any air bubbles or puckering around the skin or anything. So the serum isn't sticky at all, which is awesome. One thing that will completely turn me off to a mask is after I take it off, if my face feels like it's coated in sugar and it's super sticky, I'll never use it again. I don't know. I mean, I don't think the coffee granules really did anything. My skin looks nice and hydrated. I'll give it that. Like especially under my eyes. It looks like my skin is well moisturized. My lines are all poofed up and hydrated and... Well, hello. Good morning. How you doing, monkey? It's only 11. It's not lunchtime yet. Oh, please, don't do that. They don't need to see that, honey. I don't know about the coffee aspect. For hydrating my face, I would absolutely use this mask again. But as far as the coffee thing, I mean, I don't know. I think it's just a tad bit gimmicky to me. But one thing I do love about this mask is the type of serum that was used, combined with the hydrogel, was absolutely freezing. So maybe that's the wake up factor that they're talking about in the description, because I don't really think the coffee does anything. I think the freezing cold serum combined with the hydrogel is what wakes up your skin in the end. Maybe I'm overanalyzing this. I don't know. It's just a face mask. It's not that deep at the end of the day. So to sum this one up, I think the coffee's a little gimmicky, but I would totally buy this one again for the hydrating benefits. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!